So, tell me, what is the difference between this lighting and this one? Variations, bro, and how to get variations in looks, different type of lighting fixtures, and making the best use of them. Today, we will explore the main categories of lighting fixtures, and this will be all you need to know about lighting fixtures in this episode of All About Stage Shows. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. Well, not that beginning. I mean, say a few decades back when they still had this fixture called par or parken. Analog pars are the simple yet incredibly powerful. You might recognize them as the big rounded cans lighting up the stage wash. These lights have been lighting stages for decades, providing a soft but broader beam. So they are easy to use and extremely reliable, which is why theaters still rely on them. A classic example would be Altman Par 64. It can house a 1000-watt lamp, and depending on the lamp you can get a narrow or a wider beam. This fixture has 3 or 4 DMX channels controlling the dimmer, strobe and overall brightness. But these fixtures are hot, it's up a lot of power, and days pass by, so the world starts moving towards LED par. These are the new generation of stage wash lights, mixing RGB colors without needing gels. They are lightweight, energy saving, and can produce thousands of color combinations. LED pars are perfect for dynamic stages where colors need to change quickly. Take for example SHEHDS Slim Par Tri. I know the name is critical, but watch this. DMX channels range from 3 to 9, handling red, green, blue, dimmer, strobe and some creative effects. But washes are the only part of the story. What if you want the lights to move and dance to your show? Moving heads can pan, tilt, rotate, gobo, change colors and even zoom. You have probably seen them sweeping across the audience or spotlighting on a performers. Variations, bro. As I mentioned in the very beginning, with moving heads, you can make shapes and geometry up in the air. Look at this. They can follow the action, react to music, and create stunning effects. A popular fixture in that category can be Martin Mac 250 N-Tour. This has channel controls such as pan, tilt, dimmer, strobe, color 1, gobo 1, 2, focus, and strobe speed. Moving heads are incredible, but sometimes you don't need full movement. You need something, maybe volumetric, linear, or ambience. LED wash lights are designed to cover large areas evenly. They produce soft blended colors that spread over the stage. They are perfect for concerts, plays, or any large venue that needs smooth illumination. Let's say Chauvet DJ Color Band. This has 12x RGB LEDs. This has a 50-degree beam and 80-degree field angle. The DMX channel can be 4, 6 or 16 depending on how flexible you want to program it into your controller. Wash lights are smooth, but sometimes you need special effects that really grabs the attention of the audiences. Okay, this is not only one type of fixture, rather all the fixtures that do special things can be put into special effect category. They can be as simple as a strobe, making the crowd go crazy with flashing. They can be laser throwing beams and patterns, or all at once. Sometimes strobe goes beyond special and becomes super crazy like this one. This was supposed to be a basic strobe, but it went beyond that. I have made a separate video. You might want to check this out after this video. So FX lights are fun, but what if you want something that creates hypnotic pattern on stage with moving heads? A good example would be SHEHDS BI's moving head. The channels control are pan, tilt, dimmer, strobe, this zoom and PI effect. So I have made a separate video diving deep into this fascinating fixture. You can also check that video after this one. So this BI fixture is one step next to moving heads and have added some special effects and features. You will be blown away how crazy these modern fixtures are getting. This fixture combines a 270 watt moving beam with an LED ring. This is perfect for concert and shows needing for both focus and ambient color effects. So the channel controls are pan, tilt, dimmer, strobe, gobo, pattern as well as LED ring effects. These are cool, right? And the lighting fixtures start getting crazier and crazier from this point onwards. I have been reviewing few stunning lighting fixtures on this channel. Click here to check them out. Hi, my name is Zunaid Sabbir Ahmed. I'm from a beautiful country called Bangladesh. And you remember this awesome fixture called strobe? Check this out here.